On your marks. Set.
Great start out on blocks, already out in front. That's Noble Predators Spartans 1 and 2. Actually, that's Noble Predators Spartans and Quick Step Athletics. And making his move, that's Grand Bahama Heat. That's Saunders McFall. McFall at the 200-meter mark, taking the lead. Here he comes around the curve at the 150-meter mark. McFall, Saunders McFall, pulling away from the rest of the field, sending a message. Here he comes with 80 meters remaining down the straightaway. Trying to chase him down, Swift Athletics, but it's going to be all McFall and running on a tash. That's Peter Dulcinard. That completes section 4.